big one. The pilot has mutated into the same kind of monster we saw back at the cathedral.
What? All right, hold on. I'm looking something up.
Move in.
You got it.
Damn it!
Leon, Helena, do you read me? Get to the tail of the plane. Find out what's wrong.
I think we made it in time.
Shit! It's leaking that same gas!
We have to get rid of it! We need to open the hatch!
Helena, we have to go.
You got it. Damn it, we were too late.
This way.
Roger. Roger.
Helena.
Roger.
Leon, you're gonna need to take the controls.
Fine, I'll fly.
I'm on it.
Okay, first switch off the autopilot to restore manual control. Then press the third button in the fourth row of the upper panel. Okay, now pull the lever on the right-hand side.
Okay. This is harder than it looks. Come on. Pull up.
Leon, pull the throttle! Pull up!
How many levers does it take to fly this thing? Come on. Almost there.